Hello folks, after the exercise 4.4 we are back with the exercise 4.5 and here this is going to be the part 1 video. Some very important concept to be done up in this part. What we are going to do is something called as the adjoint. Adjoint means it's a matrix that is associated to this given matrix. Suppose say A is a given matrix, adjoint of A is a matrix that we are going to find. Now what is the speciality of adjoint of a matrix is matrix A into adjoint of the matrix A by determinant of A will give you the identity matrix. So it is, in some sense, it's an inverse, right? So given a matrix A, the A inverse is adjoint of A by determinant of A. Like that you can find out the inverse. So if in exam we have these row column operations, if you are very good at finding the adjoint, you can find the adjoint and cross check if your inverse matrix is correct or not. So like that, both ways. So that's how adjoint is. Adjoint is important because that helps us to find the inverse of a matrix. So let's start right away. There are many things, many formulae, many things, many 1 mark questions that can be asked on adjoint, and it's been clearly told in the content before the exercise. One must go through it and one must get that cleared, and as in time comes and as in time permits, I will also let you know what all things are useful here. So let's start with the adjoint directly. I don't want to give you any instruction regarding that because it will be very confusing. As we do it, it will become more clear to us. So let's start with the adjoint of this matrix. This is a matrix A. Luckily it's a 2 cross 2. So call this as the matrix A, and let's start with its adjoint. Now how do we go for the adjoint? First, of course, you have to get the determinant. But see, what happens is if you know the cofactors, you can get the determinant easily. So we will wait for the cofactors and then we will go for the determinant calculation. So let's get the cofactors. How do we get the cofactors? Therefore, A11. These pens will drive me crazy sometimes. Yeah, A11, A12, A21, A22. Now first we will find the minus and then we will make it cofactor by looking at the sign. Okay, so A11, what is it? 4. Then A12, it's 3. A21, it's 2. A22, it's 1. Now let's give it the signs. This won't have a sign change, this will have a sign change, this will have a sign change. That's all. Yeah, cofactors. Now, I think the first row is easier. So let's find the determinant by using the first row. A11, A11, A12, A12. So what is it? 1 times 4 and minus 3 times 2. So it's like 4 minus 6, that is minus 2. So your determinant value is minus 2. So that helps us. I don't know, let me check the question whether they have asked the adjoint or the inverse. Find the adjoint, they have told us. Okay. So then if it's the adjoint, then you don't require 1 second. If you could give me the time, I will just let and find out. Yes. Yeah, we don't require the determinant anyhow. But see, generally why we find the determinant, because if it is non-singular and maybe it's not, if it's 0, you don't have it existing. But anyhow, so we'll have the adjoint of A. What we will write is these cofactors which you have found in transpose manner. Okay, so though 4, 3, it should be like this. We'll write 4 minus 3 like this. Then minus 2, 1. Understood? So in the adjoint, the cofactor that you are writing is like this: A11, A12. A21, A22. That you have to be careful. Okay, whatever cofactors you are getting, your position wise, you should write its transpose. See, every step we need to check, because if you go wrong, means it's a big havoc. Yes. So that's because 2 cross 2 it's easy. Now we'll go to 3 cross 3. So that will be a little bit of work. Let's here also we have to find the adjoint. Let A be this. So like before only, let's find all these A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A33, A32, A33. Now before we will just find these values first, then we will that is we'll get the minus first, then we'll make it cofactors by putting the correct sign. So A11, what is coming? 3. A12, what is coming? 2 plus 10, 12. A13 plus 6. A21 minus 1. A22 1 plus 4, 5. A23 2 minus 2. A31 minus 5 minus 6 minus 11. Then it is 5 minus 4, it's 1. Then A33, it's 3 plus 2, 5. Now let's put the signs. This is positive, this is negative, positive, chain sign, chain sign, chain sign, and that's it. So let's get the determinant. Determinant, I think last row is better. A31, A31, A32, A32. Now wherever there are zeros and ones, you could prefer that. So like it's minus 2 into A31 for us is minus 11. Then A32 is 0, so you need not take it. Then A33 it is 1 and then 5. So it's 22 plus 5, 27. And that's just to check. Of course, we require only the adjoint just to check whether it is existing or not. That's it. Then adjoint of A. How is it? We write the transpose. 3 minus 12, 6, 1, 5, 2, minus 11, minus 1 and 5. That's it. Okay, so that's about the adjoint. Now we can take the third question, and in the third question they are asking us to not only find the adjoint but verify that A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. So many things to do. Yeah, so let's start right away. We are calling this as a matrix A, and as usual we will just get the cofactors first. We'll make it first, we'll get the minus first and then we'll make it cofactors later. So A11 it's going to be minus 6, A12 is going to be minus 4, A21 is going to be 3, A22 is going to be 2. This is remaining as it is, this is going to change sign, this is going to change sign, and this remain as it is. So when we plan to do the determinant, anyhow we can take maybe A11 and A12. See why we are writing this, by chance if we go wrong, the examiner can check where it is going wrong, whether it's a serious error or whether it's a small error, whatever. So it is like 2 times minus 6 plus 3 times 4. So that's minus 12 plus 12, 0. It's a singular matrix. It's called as matrix whose determinant is 0 is called as a singular matrix. For us to have the inverse, it should be non-singular, right? So this is singular matrix. Anyhow, if you're supposed to find the adjoint, how would the adjoint be? The adjoint would be minus 6, 4 and minus 3, 2. So they ask us to verify, consider. So because they have asked us to verify, we'll consider A into adjoint of A. Let's check what comes. A for us is 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6, and adjoint for us is minus 6, minus 3, 4, 2. Let's find out how much is it coming. 2 into 6 is minus 12 plus 12, 0. Then 6 into 2, 3 into minus, 2 into minus 3, minus 6 plus 6, 0 again. Minus 4 into 6, 24, minus 24, 0. 4 into 3, 12, minus 12, that is also 0. So you're getting it as a 0 matrix. We will take now adjoint of A and adjoint of A into A. So that is minus 6, minus 3, 4 and 2 to be multiplied by A for us, it is 2, 3, minus 4, minus 6. Let's multiply. minus 6 into 2 is minus 12, plus 12 but minus will be there. So let's see. Minus 12. I don't know if my entries are correct. Okay, first row, first column. 6 into minus 2 minus 12. 3 into 4 is 12. I don't know why I'm getting minus 12. This place will do. And then we can move for the second one. Minus 6 into 3, it is minus 18. Minus 18. I should check this. This was okay, no? Here minus 12 plus 12. This was all okay. 12. I will just check if the adjoint is correct. So it's yes, it is correct. What have they asked us? Verify A into adjoint of A is adjoint of A into A, and we are checking now adjoint of A into A. That is minus 6 minus 3 4 2 and 2 3 minus 4 minus 6. Fine. So minus 6 into 2, it's minus 12 first case, and 3 into 4, so that is minus 3 into minus 4, it's plus 12. It's going to be minus 12. I don't know why. Okay, then again 6. Sorry, plus 12. Yes. I myself was putting an additional minus. That's the problem. Okay, absolutely okay. 6 3s are minus 18 plus 18. Yeah, this is also 0. This is also 0. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8, 0. Then 4 3s are 12. 12 minus 12, 0. Yeah, 0 everywhere. Also, determinant of A into I is going to be 0. Why? Because determinant itself is 0. So therefore, hence verified. Right, unnecessarily we were beating around the bush. Okay, so that's about the first 3 problems, and then same saga is going to continue that we are taking it up in the next video. Thank you.